The LD error code on a Whirlpool washer indicates a problem with the drain pump system. This issue can be caused by poor installation, a clogged drain pump system, or a faulty drain pump. To resolve the issue, start by inspecting the drain pump installation to ensure the drain hose is installed correctly, at a suitable height from the base of the washer. If the installation is poor, adjust the drain hose to the correct level and distance from the washer. Next, inspect the drain pump system for blockages by powering off the machine, moving it away from the wall, and disconnecting the drain hose. Check the hose for any blockages. Remove any foreign matter, and wash the pipe with clean, pressurized water before reassembling and restarting the machine. Additionally, check the drain pipe for signs of damage or leakage, and replace it if necessary. If none of these solutions work, the issue may require professional attention to resolve.